Hello everybody, Levi Clay here, and this is just a quick little announcement video to let you know that for Cyber Monday, and also to celebrate the fact that I've been doing weekly guided practice routines on my Patreon page now for just about 3 years, I am going to be giving away 500 memberships to my Patreon page on the weekly guided practice routine tier. So normally that's priced at $20, but if you click the link in the description or the QR code on screen, while I still have those offers available, you will be able to get yourself a completely free month of my weekly guided practice routines on my Patreon page. So what are my weekly guided practice routines? Well, as I say, been doing it for 3 years now. Every Monday, 9 a.m, I upload a full practice routine. So I walk you guys through what it is that we're going to be practicing, why we're going to be practicing it, and I show you everything that you need to do. And then there is a full playthrough of the routine with animated transcriptions on screen, so you can play and practice along with me. Of course, the idea is if you practice along with me, it motivates you to keep moving forward. It's like that kind of old, the old exercise videos things. It allows us to build a community around practice and developing our playing to that kind of what I always describe as professional or bulletproof guitar playing standard, where you will be better at things like playing over changes or being a working professional musician. You'll improve your reading, or you'll improve your triad knowledge, or everything, picking technique. There are, like I say, almost 150 routines now. Each one's about half an hour long. So that's 75 hours of content, which you can access all for free for a month. So check that link in the description. Now, it's not just the weekly guided practice stuff that you'll get access to. You'll also get access to my ear training videos that are up there. You'll also get access to all of the transcriptions that I've uploaded there. And you can be part of my Discord server whilst you're with us. So it is completely free, no strings attached. I just wanted to do something cool. Patreon have just introduced this feature where you can essentially give away memberships. So I thought, what a great way to give back for all the support that you guys have given me over the years. So yeah, while they are available, go and snatch one up, and I will see you on Patreon. Laters.